If you love facts, you're in the right place. They'll make you go, whoa, with a smile on your face. With Auntie B and her fantastic crew, they are packed with facts, gonna bring those facts to you. Like the biggest, the smallest, the shortest, the tallest, the fastest, the slowest, the highest, the lowest. Oh, leave it to me. Fantastic Facts.
Get ready for facts that begin with R. Did you know rainbows are actually circles? Down here on the ground, we can only see the top half of the circle because the earth blocks the rest of it. But if you're somewhere very high up, you might be lucky enough to see a rainbow's full circle. It's a fact. There is a competition in Wales where people race against horses. What a fact! The race has been going for over 40 years now, and so far humans have beaten horses 4 times, which goes to prove that sometimes 2 legs can be better than 4. Listen up, please! In the time it takes me to tell you this fact, about 160 million tons of rain will have fallen around the world. That's enough water to fill over 400 stadiums the size of Croke Park. Speaking of rain, did you know that in tropical rainforests it can take a few minutes for the rain to trickle all the way down to the forest floor? The thick leaves act like big umbrellas, making sure plants and creatures below only get a light sprinkle. I suppose you could call it nature's slow motion shower. Isn't nature fantastic? Do you know raccoons? They're ridiculously good climbers, but one may have gone a bit too far. In a place called Minnesota in the United States, a raccoon climbed a 25-story skyscraper. People loved watching its adventure online and even gave it a nickname, Spider Raccoon. Spider Raccoon was climbing for nearly a day and night before it finally made it safely to the top.
Auntie B's Fantastic Facts. Yeah!
Kids with facts.
Yay! Did you know that a rhino's horn is made from keratin, which is the same stuff that your fingernails and hair are made from?
A spaceship will keep traveling through outer space even if the rocket's out of fuel because there's no air or gravity to slow it down.
Who's got an hour job?
Me.
How did the rocket lose its job? It got fired.
Auntie B's Fantastic Facts. Yeah!
Fantastic animals! You know who's fantastic? Red squirrels. Red squirrels are super at digging holes and burying food like nuts and other seeds. But here's an even better fact about red squirrels. They're brilliant at remembering because in winter, when there's no food around, a squirrel can remember where she buried her food and dig it up again for a tasty snack. She can remember where to find loads of hidden food. And the fact is, what squirrels do is good for everyone because some of the seeds she leaves behind can grow into new trees. Fact-tastic.
Auntie B's Fantastic Facts. Woo!
Raisins. They're so wonderfully wrinkly. Would you like to see one up close? All right, so leave it to me. I'm tiny Auntie B. Look at those wrinkles now. Did you know that raisins are dried out grapes? Or to put it another way, every raisin was once a grape. It's a fact. Do you want to see how it happens? Look, when grapes are heated, they lose their water. In fact, a grape shrinks down to a quarter of its original size. It's like a medium-sized dog shrinking down to the size of a cat. Raisins are ancient, you know. The fact is, they may have been discovered by accident around 4,000 years ago when grapes were left on the vines for too long and got dried out by the sun. Would you like one final ancient raisin fact? Okay. Long ago, in Greece and Rome, raisins were used as money. They were sometimes even given out as prizes in sports competitions. I think I'd prefer a medal.
Auntie B's Fantastic Facts.
Kids with facts.
Yay!
Did you know 150,000 rubber ducks were once launched on the River Liffey in Dublin for a race? And one duck turned up in Scotland 18 years later.
There are robots on Mars. One of them has been there for almost 30 years.
Hey, Auntie B. I've got a fantastic fact about a boy who built his own robot and changed people's lives.
Well, that sounds like a robot story worth hearing.
Easton LaChapelle loved taking apart his toys.
Like, did he break them?
No, he did it carefully to see how they worked. Then, when he was 14, Easton built a robotic arm and entered it in a science fair. And guess what happened?
He dropped it on the way and it broke into pieces?
No!
Did he leave it in the back of a taxi?
No!
Did he win a prize at the science fair?
No! I mean, yes! Easton did win a prize. But more importantly, he met a girl there who had a prosthetic arm. Her arm didn't work as well as Easton's. It's also very expensive and has to be replaced as she grows, said her mom. This inspired Easton to make a better, less expensive prosthetic arm. As Easton grew up, he kept working on the design until he had his own prosthetic arm-making company.
So Easton's science project became his job.
Yes, and isn't it such a great job, Auntie B? He's using his skills to help other people.
That's definitely a fact.
Hey, Auntie B, could you use your fantastic skills to give us one final fact before the show is over?
With pleasure.
Auntie B's Fantastic Facts. Woo!
Finally, listen to this for a really long fact. In tennis and table tennis, a rally is when two players hit the ball over and back without stopping. And two table tennis players from Sweden once had a rally that lasted an incredible 13 hours, 37 minutes and 6 seconds. They basically kept the ball moving all day long with no break. That's fantastic. I'm Auntie B. It's time to leave you be, but see you soon for more fantastic facts.